This year, LG caught us a bit off guard by announcing a new X series of smartphones. The models span a range from the lower mid-tiers to almost flagship grade, and some also come with unique features, borrowed from the top-shelf class of the company's smartphones. For example, the first members of the family were the LG X Screen, which has a ticker display like the one on the LG V10, and the LG X Cam, which features a dual-camera module on its back. Later, a second wave of devices was announced, with the X Power, X Style, X Max, and X Mach fleshing out the portfolio. Here, we will be taking a look at the speediest of the bunch, the LG X Mach. Dressed in modest-looking build materials, it sports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 808, 3GB of RAM, a camera with impressively wide 1.55 μm pixels, and a QHD 1440 by 2560 screen resolution. It's almost a flagship class smartphone, without stepping on the LG G5's toes too much, possibly aimed at those who want top-level performance, but would prefer playing less, even if it's for a less flashy-looking handset. Display. The LG X Mach sports a rather large 5.5-inch display with a 1440 by 2560 QHD resolution. Needless to say, this makes for a very crisp image. The pixel density amounts to about 534 pixels per inch. Rest assured that you won't be making out the individual dots with the naked eye. All its colors are, however, a bit off, with some popping over into oversaturation. The screen looks bluish and cold, though not irritatingly so. In fact, we found that one can quickly get used to and enjoy images on the display. The X Mach's screen brightness reached 369 nits when we measured it. The phone is definitely not the best under direct sunlight, and we found ourselves struggling when trying to line up a perfect camera shot on a sunny summer day. It's still on the usable side when it comes to calls and chats, but you will be looking around for shade often. The display goes down to 3 nits when set a minimum, and that's good enough to not be annoyingly bright in a bar or in the bedroom.